I'm creating an intense abstract artwork. Bold strokes of red, deep blacks, and hints of gold. Each layer tells a story of emotions, hidden thoughts, and raw feelings. Look closely, the textures. It's not just paint, it's a reflection of the mind. And here's the final reveal, and powerful and full of meaning. If you felt this too, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative art videos. Unlike realistic paintings, abstract art doesn't tell you exactly what to see. Instead, it invites you to imagine. A swirl of red can be passion or rage. A block of black might feel like mystery, or silence, or strength. Every brushstroke, every drip, every bold line is a thought released onto the canvas without boundaries. Abstract artists like Kandinsky, Rothko, and Pollock opened doors for us to see art as energy, raw, pure, and personal. There's no right or wrong way to look at it, so let's start properly. What you feel is the truth. When I paint abstract, I don't plan every line. I let my feelings guide me. The canvas becomes my playground, my diary, my voice. It's freedom at its purest. Maybe you see chaos. Maybe you see beauty. Or maybe, just maybe, you see yourself reflected in colors and shapes you can't even name. And that's the magic. Abstract art gives your imagination permission to fly. So if you felt even a spark of inspiration, don't hold back. Like this video, share it with fellow dreamers, and hit subscribe. Because this journey into color and freedom has just begun.